Question number 10. A. Work out 1 whole 1 over 3 multiplied by 8 over 9. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So if you see it carefully, this is mixed number. So I'll convert it into the fraction first. So I'm going to write multiplication and plus. So it will be 3 times 1 plus 1 equals to 4 over 3 multiplied by 8 over 9. There is no cancellation step, so I'm just going to multiply directly. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 9 is 27. So this is the improper fraction. We need to make the division hut to convert it into mixed number. 27 times 1 is 27 and the 5 is the remainder. So it is 1 whole 5 over 27. B part. Kate has a bunch of grapes. She ate 1/4 of the grapes in the morning. She ate 2/3 of the grapes in the afternoon. Work out the fraction of the grapes that she has not eaten. It means you have to calculate the fraction of grapes that is remaining. So the fraction of grapes in the morning plus the fraction of grapes in the afternoon plus the remaining fraction or uneaten, sum of all these three should be equal to 1. So the fraction of morning is 1/4, fraction of afternoon is 2/3, and the remaining we need to calculate, and this is equal to 1 because the total of the fraction is always 1. I'm going to add the fraction, that is 1 over 4 and 2 over 3. So I'm going to cross multiply and do the simplification steps. So it will be 3 over 12 plus 8 over 12 plus what equals to 1. So it will be 11 over 12 plus what equals to 1. So you can easily calculate, that is 1 minus 11 over 12. So again, I need to make the denominator same. So it will be 12 minus 11 over 12. So it is 1 over 12. So it completes the question. Question number 11. Solve the inequality x minus 5 greater than 3x plus 7. So this is related to the algebra, and we need to gather the like terms. So I'm going to shift 3x on other side. So it will be x minus 3x minus 5 greater than 7. And again, I need to shift minus 5 on other side. So it will be x minus 3x greater than 7 plus 5. So when you solve it, x minus 3x, it will be minus 2x. And 7 plus 5, it will be 12. So when you shift minus 2, this is the negative number. So it changes the inequality sign. And inequality will be 12 over minus 2. After doing simplification steps, I'll get x less than minus 6. It completes the question. In question number 12a, Ali keeps a record of the computer games he plays. Out of the first 6 games, Ali wins 4. Out of the first 20 games, Ali wins 13. So use the result to find the best estimate for the probability that Ali will not win the next computer game he plays. So Ali will not means Ali will lose. So आपने best estimate बताना है that Ali will lose. So if I first of all I need to calculate probability of winning, that is 4 out of 6, and in the second case probability of winning is 13 out of 20, and in the second case probability of losing is 2 over 6, that is 1/3, and in the second case probability of losing is 7 over 20. So 7 over 20 is the answer because 7 over 20 is the high probability of losing. So 7 over 20 is the answer. Come to the part B. A spinner is spun n times. The spinner lands on red 14 times. The relative frequency of the spinner landing on red is 0.2. Find the value of n. You can do this question by applying the formula of the relative frequency directly, but in the simple way you can also do that. आप इसको frequency और probability के साथ भी solve कर सकते हैं. So if frequency is 14, probability 0.2 है, और the total probability is 1, so I'll keep it here n. We know very well how to solve this, so हम इसको solve कर लेंगे. 14 multiplied by 1 is equal to n multiplied by 0.2. So n is equal to 0.14 over 0.2. So I'll take the jump to remove the decimal. So it will be 14 over 2. So it will be, oh no, this is 140 actually. So this will be 70. Question number 13. The bearing of Mingfield from lantern is 156 degree. Calculate the bearing of lantern from Mingfield. Okay, so this is the point for Mingfield and this is the point for lantern. So I'm just going to make the line. This is Mingfield and this is lantern. So first of all, I need to make the north direction. So I'm going to make north direction. So it will be 156. And on the, we need to calculate the bearing of lantern from Mingfield. So इसके लिए हम lantern पर भी north बनाएंगे. And then we need to calculate the bearing of lantern from Mingfield. So I need to calculate the angle of that part. So if you see that, when you see the directions, so you will get easily this angle, that is 180 degree, and you need to calculate the remaining part. हम इसको easily alternate की property apply करेंगे and we can find out easily. So this is 156. So the answer is 156. Come to the part B. On a map, the distance between lantern and Mingfield is 4.5 centimeter. The actual distance between lantern and Mingfield is 9 kilometer. Find the scale of the map in the form 1:n. So on the map, this is 4.5 and actual distance is 9 kilometer and 4.5 centimeter. You can also write it like that, centimeter and kilometer. So we need to convert 4.5 into 1. सो हम इसको 4.5 को 4.5 से ही डिवाइड कर देंगे. So you cancel out. It will be 1 9 over 4.5. So I'm trying to simplify it. We need to take the jump. So it will be 90 over 45. So the answer is 2. So this is actually 1:n is equivalent to 2 kilometer. So in the ratio form, we know that the unit should be same. So I need to convert it into centimeter. 2 kilometer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So you can also like that. You can also do like that. 1 centimeter is equal to 100,000 kilometer. So the answer is 200,000. In question number 22, factorize. So part A, 7y plus 2xy minus 6x minus 21. There are 4 terms. So we will do it by grouping method. I will take as a common from the first 2 terms and I will take some number from last 2 terms. So I can take y as a common. Remaining term is 7 plus 2x minus 3, 2x plus 7. So the first factor is 7 plus 2x and the second factor is y minus 3. So the final answer is 7 plus 2x and y minus 3. Come to the part B. So I can take 3 as a common. Factor is a square minus b square. Now I'm going to use the third identity of the algebraic expression. So it will be 3 into a plus b into a minus b. The final answer is 3 into a plus b into a minus b. Come to the question number 23. The attendance of a cricket match is 36,000 correct to the nearest 100. Nearest 1,000. So 1,000 means I have to divide 1,000 by 2. So it will be 500. Write down the minimum number of people at the cricket match. Minimum numbers mean I have to find out lower bound. So to find out the lower bound, I subtract 500 from 36,000. So it will be 35,500. The number of males attending the match is 21,000 correct to the nearest 500. Nearest 500 means I have to divide 500 by 2. So it is 250. Find the maximum number of females that could be attending the cricket match. Maximum means we have to find out the upper bound. So the total attendance is equal to males and females. So it will be male plus female. So to find out the female, the formula will be total minus male. For upper bound, I have to take upper bound of total and lower bound of male. So total attendance are 36,000 plus 500. I'll subtract -1 because we are given attendance in terms of 1,000 and we are given the males in terms of 100. So that's why I'll subtract 1 minus. So I have to take lower bound of the male. So it will be 21,000 minus 250. After solving, it will be 36,499 minus 20,750. After subtraction, 20,750. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. I'll borrow 1 from here. So it is 14 minus 7. It's 7. So the number is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 15,749. Question number 25. Ax raised b raised 3 is equal to 27x raised 4. Find the value of a and the value of b. So first of all, I will simplify the power. So it will be a cube x raised b cube equals to 27 into x raised 4. So I will simplify the power of x. X raised 3b equals to 27 x raised 4. Now I'm going to equate a cube with 27 and x raised 3b equals to x raised 4. So a cube is equal to 27. I can take cube root. So I'm going to take 2 cube root. So the answer is a is equal to 3. If I solve x raised 3b is equal to x raised 4, bases are same, so powers are same. So it is 3b is equal to 4. And if I solve it for b, it is 4 over 3. So value of a is 3 and value of b is 4 over 3. Question number 26. A is the point -2 and 3. B is the point 4 and 7. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. For midpoint, we need to add all the corresponding value of x. -2 plus 4 divided by 2 and 3 plus 7 divided by 2. So if I add -2 plus 4, answer is 2 over 2 and 3 plus 7, answer is 10 over 2. So I will simplify it. So answer is 1 and 5. Line L is the locus of the point that are equidistant from A and B. Find the equation of line L. Line L are equidistant from A and B means we need to find out the equation of the perpendicular line from A and B. Perpendicular line of A and B. So slope of AB (7 minus 3) over 4 minus -2, and after simplification I'll get 4 over 6, that is 2 over 3. So slope of perpendicular of AB perpendicular line of AB is negative reciprocal, so it will be minus 3 over 2. For the equation, you will apply the formula y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So the point is, I'll take midpoint. So it is y minus 5 and the slope is minus 3 over 2 and the value of x is 1. I'm going to simplify it. I'll cross multiply. 2 into y minus 5 equals to minus 3 x into x minus 1. So I'm going to expand, that is 2y minus 10 equals to minus 3x plus 1 plus 3. So if I further simplify it, I'll move minus 3x on the left side and 10 on right side. So it is 3 plus 10. So equation will be 2y plus 3x is equal to 30. Question number 27. OABC is a parallelogram. OA is equal to 2A and OC is equal to 3C. M is the midpoint of BC. T is the point on OB such that OT ratio TB is equal to 2 ratio 1. Part A. Find OB in terms of A and C. If you see the diagram carefully, OA is parallel to CB. So this is equal to 2A and OC is parallel to AB. So AB is 3C. First of all, OB, I'll break OB in terms of OA plus AB. So OA is 2A and AB is 3C. So the answer is 2A plus 3C. Part B. Express as simply as possible in terms of A and C. For AM, I need to break AM is equal to AB plus BM. But we know BM is in opposite direction, so I'll change it into minus MB. So AB is 3C, but for MB, we know that BC is 2A and M is the midpoint, so BM is half of 2A. So it is 1 over 2 into 2A. I can simplify it. So the answer is 3C minus A. For AT, I can write AT in terms of AB plus BT. Again, BT is in opposite position, so I will change it BT into minus TB. So we know that OT ratio is 3, OT ratio is 2, OT is in 2 parts and TB is in 1 part. So if I talk about the fraction, so this shows 2 over 3 fraction and this shows 1 over 3. So the vector of the TB is 1/3 of 1/3 of OB. So it is 2A plus 3C. So I will write it here. AB is 3C and TB is 1 over 3 multiplied by 2A plus 3C. If I simplify it, it is 2 over 3A minus C. So the final answer is 2A minus 2 over 3C. Show that ATM is a straight line. For ATM is a straight line, we need to prove AT is parallel to TM. AT is parallel to AM, so AT must be equal to K times AM. So AT is 2C minus 2 over 3A and AM is 3C minus A. So just plug in the values. 2C minus 2 over 3A equals to K into 3C minus A. I'll take 2 as a common from 80. So this is 2 bracket C minus 2 over 3A equals to K 3C minus A. But again, if you see this, C minus 2 over 3A and 3C minus A are still different. So I'll take 1 over 3 as a common again. So it will be 3C minus 2A equals to K 3C minus A. So you can easily see that K is equal to 2 over 3 and on both sides there is 3C minus 2A. So the value of K is 2 over 3. So it means ATM is a straight line.